Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Aizal Safwan Biharuddin and my nomenclature is B1123100049. We are from group GYY21 Aizam Pneumatic. For our title, our assignment is Krepek Pisang. It is crispy, fried banana slices, flavored with sweet or savory seasoning. For this title, we have three station, which is banana preparation, frying, and oil draining, and last but not least is seasoning and packaging. For the first station is banana preparation. Step one is banana pusher. The function is to push banana to the slicer. The cylinder type we using in this machine is double acting cylinder. Is because it is need forward and backward motion and better control and force. This cylinder have two part. For port A is front port, and for port B is rear port. And the one side is extend, and other side is retract. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mukhlis bin Mak Jamil. Number matric is B11230178. I want to explain about step 2 for the banana preparation, which is slicing mechanism. Firstly, the function is to move blade up and down for cutting. The cylinder type is double acting cylinder. We use this cylinder type to make precious repeat motion and faster operation cycle. Next, we will see step 3, which is transfer gate. The function is to release sliced banana to the next station. The cylinder type we use is single acting cylinder, spring return. We use this cylinder type is because only push action required and automatically return using spring and save air consumption. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ikram Salim. My matrix number is B112310-353. So my part is station 2, firing and oil draining. So step first is firing basket, lowering basket that filled with banana and lift it. The function is to lower basket into hot oil and lift basket after firing. The cylinder type is double acting cylinder because needs control up and down movement of the basket, safety and stability, and require strong lifting force. So next is for the oil draining part, which is step 2, oil draining. The function is tilt basket to remove oil from the banana chips. And the cylinder type is rotary cylinders. Produce angular movement and smooth tilting action to remove the oil from the banana chips. So that's all.
My name is Muhammad Muradi Besharuddin. Now I will like to share you about the station 3, seasoning and packaging. First step is open or close seasoning outlet. The function is to lower basket into the hot oil and lift basket after frying. The type of cylinder that we use is single action cylinder because it is simple open and release motion and make sure the energy efficiency. Next, second step for station 3 is chip filling gate. The function is to tilt basket to control chip entering packet. The type of cylinder that we use is double action cylinder. It is used to accurate timing control and prevent the chip do not come out from the plastic. Last step for the station 3 is packaging sealing press. The function is to press and seal plastic packaging. The cylinder type is Guidon double acting cylinder. It because needs to stable straight pressing and make sure not misalign while sealing process. And lastly, from the station 1 to station 3, it is a complete process making crispy fried banana. Our station can consistently work with precise condition between a cylinder. And thank you for watching this video.